barbecue fans. Welcome to another edition of Fireside Chats inside Volstead's on the Frank and Boo Ranch. Okay, so today I wanted to address a couple of questions that I had fielded online about bark. Now, when I talk about bark, that's the thick black crust that forms on your product when you're cooking. It forms on your briskets and your pork butts. So I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to get a little bit better bark. Okay, for starters, airflow is key to bark. The proper type of airflow is the most important thing when creating a crust-like bark. Your spices, your spritzes, fat, and your cooking temperatures will also play a big factor in this. A good spice with salt, pepper, and sugar will aid in the formation of bark. So as your fat melts down, it starts to caramelize and your spices will blend together and form the bark. Temperature is also another factor that you need to take into play. You should be cooking between 225 but not exceeding 300 degrees. Now here at Academy AQ, we cook at 275 degrees because I'm not looking for a heavy bark. This comes from my years on the barbecue circuit where it wasn't really a thing where people wanted to see that. So another thing that's going to affect it is the humidity in the air. Also, wrapping will affect this. If you wrap too early, you'll not get the bark you're looking for. If you're looking for a heavy bark, you'll need to wrap when the brisket reaches about 198 to 200 degrees. Delaying the wrapping as long as you can will help build up that bark. Wrapping around 165 like I do will significantly cut down on the bark because you're forcing moisture back into the meat. So now if you guys are cooking on a Kamado Joe, a big green egg, you're gonna have a really difficult time getting that bark just because you don't have the airflow like you do on an offset or a pellet cooker. So there's some quick tips and tricks for you guys. Give it a shot, get yourself a good rub, set that airflow up correctly, and develop yourself some great bark. So until next time, guys, keep on smoking it. Hey barbecue fans, I just want to take a second and say thank you for watching my videos. And if you guys are looking to take your barbecue game to the next level, then head on over to academyaq.com and check out our members area where you can sign up now for a 14-day free trial. In our members area, you're going to find how to elevate your barbecue game to the next level with competition-style brisket, ribs, chicken, pork, along with a lot of other fun recipes that we do on a regular basis. So head on over to academyaq.com, check us out in the members area, and I'll see you right here on the Frank and Boo Ranch.